The glorious exteriors of Wentworth Woodhouse are a wonderful introduction to some of the architectural and decorative marvels that can be found inside the building. In this exciting new series of short films, we take a look at some of the fireplaces that can be found in a variety of different parts of the house. For the first video in the series, we focus on the fireplaces in the grandest room in the building. These monumental pieces of sculpture are absolutely fitting for the enormous scale of the Marble Saloon at Wentworth Woodhouse. This was the principal entertaining space at the house, and originally these two huge fireplaces, which date from the 1820s, would have had open fires burning in them.
At the beginning of the 20th century, an early form of central heating was installed at Wentworth Woodhouse, and the beautiful metal grills that cover the fireplace opening now mask large radiators. The Marble Saloon is so large that it needed two fireplaces to service it. It's the only place in the house where a single room has two matching fireplaces. They're both made of white marble. And although they're very imposing in terms of their size, they're also quite plain in their decoration when compared with the other fireplaces in the state rooms. What makes these two fireplaces stand out are the overmantels which sit above them and are full of decorative details. Both of the overmantels are the work of John Gibson, and we can see his name carved into the panels at the bottom. Gibson was a Welsh sculptor who spent much of his life in Rome. He studied under the famous master sculptor Antonio Canova and specialised in neoclassical reliefs, such as the two at Wentworth Woodhouse.
The two overmantels contain very different imagery, but there's a connecting link between them. One shows the figure of a man driving a chariot drawn by horses. The figure is the mythical Phaeton, who in Greek mythology was the son of Helios, the sun god. Phaeton drove the chariot of the sun across the heavens, and that's what we can see in this relief. The other relief shows horses being led by women in flowing robes. In Greek mythology, these female figures represent the Hours, and they're depicted leading horses. In fact, these are the same horses that are shown drawing Phaeton's chariot above the other fireplace.
We actually know how much these two reliefs cost the 5th Earl Fitzwilliam when he commissioned them both in 1846. They cost £700 each. That's just over 79,000 each in today's money. Shipping was an additional £34 per panel, which in today's terms equates to around £4,000. So these were both impressive and expensive additions to the decorative scheme at Wentworth Woodhouse.
The iconography of the panels is intriguing and has given rise to some interesting trains of thought recently. Both panels display different aspects of the mythological journey of the sun through the heavens. In Gibson's original drawing for this relief, the Hours lead the horses towards a chariot where Phaeton is waiting. But the image of Phaeton and his chariot is missing from the finished work, which arrived at Wentworth Woodhouse in 1850.
In the second panel, Phaeton is seen driving his chariot across the skies. This panel arrived on site in 1852, by which time the first panel was already in position. The Marble Saloon has a large set of windows facing east towards the sunrise. If we think about the fact that Phaeton and his chariot would be driving the sun towards the west, where it would set, could it be that the first relief panel to arrive at Wentworth Woodhouse was installed over the wrong fireplace? As it is, the panel showing Phaeton has him driving into the sunrise. Perhaps the reliefs should have been displayed the other way round. It is probable that we will never really know for sure, and in a way, it doesn't matter. The fireplaces and the decorative overmantels that adorn them are beautiful statement pieces in a room that's full of neoclassical symbolism. We hope that you've enjoyed this first film in our new series about the fabulous fireplaces at Wentworth Woodhouse. To be sure that you never miss a video release, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like our videos and leave us a comment.